Plug the cable into the wall socket.
Pour milk into a milk machine to make the milk thicker. Press the start button, and the machine will start to stir the milk itself.
For the coffee, fill some water into the water reservoir in the coffee machine. And put the coffee in the machine.
And press the button according to your coffee needs, whether you want to make a lot of coffee or a little. Wait until the light is not flashing, then press again to start. Don't forget to put the coffee glass under the coffee that will flow and wait until the coffee is finished. After the milk and coffee have been made,
Pour both into one glass and the coffee is ready to be served.